My name is Mike Cantrell, and I am going to be showing you some things that I use the MFT table for, and the different clamps, and the way that I use the clamps in an everyday scenario on the job or in the shop. Alright, I'm about to show you what I actually bought these clamping elements for. They were a tough buy, they were kind of expensive, worth every penny once I used them in one application. I made a bunch of these for a customer, had no way to clamp them. These guys do just that. They make a very hard situation very easy. You can clamp these down, actually build them up, and I can route them with a template on them. Anyway, it makes it very secure to hold an awkward shaped object. I've got a sander in Rotex mode. Anybody that sands with these know that that's very aggressive. You've got to have your piece secured down very well, and it does not move. Process of unclamping is very easy. You're ready to repeat the process or go to the next step. I'm going to show you the process of using the rapid clamp with the track and the track saw. It's very quick, very easy. You put it on, lock the lever, go to the other end, lock it in place, squeeze the trigger. Once you've made your cut, you just release with this tab, releases the tension, unlock the lever. If you're getting ready to make another cut, you just leave the clamp in here and pull the track and the whole system off as one. This is how quick you're set up and ready to reclamp. Now we're ready to make the next cut. Okay, in this application, I like to keep my dust hood on the router. However, it hangs just a little bit below the surface of this material. We'll put a couple of spacers on here. We'll clamp from underneath the table. Now I can route, and the clamps aren't up in my way. I can route the edges that I need to without the obstruction of the clamps. Use these screw clamps and hold down my shelf while I sand the face frame flush with the sheet good. Okay, once we sand the pencil mark off, we know we're flush everywhere. Should go pretty fast. Now we're ready to route the face. This is a process that I use when I'm routing the edge. I need it clamped on here really well. I'll use the side track on the MFT table, and I'll use the quick clamps. Secure my piece. Now I can route an edge profile on the top edge, which is a tricky profile to route. Here I'll just show you a couple of quick uses. They've also got a longer screw clamp here, which is nice when you've got a beefier piece of material. Different applications, say you're going to give a big thick piece of material a rough cut look with a chainsaw, or you're gonna drill on the end of a piece of wood. You know, this table and these longer clamps are gonna allow you to fasten your piece of material, hold it really well, and let you be able to work on it from the side or from the top. If the clamp's not in your way, you could go ahead and clamp it from the top like this. If, say, it's the clamp and the handle will be in your way, you can clamp from underneath the table, bring just the head of it up, tighten it down. Now you've got less clamp in the way.